Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from Qnap. You can go to Qnap.com. It's their TS-328. This is a very inexpensive, budget-friendly RAID 5 NAS, and it provides more storage space and data protection for you. And what's nice is it's kind of more consumer as opposed to something that's larger built for big companies. 30% of Qnap users choose to build RAID 5 arrays for their NAS for higher data protection, better system performance, and more available storage space. It's their first 3-bay NAS, allowing you to build a RAID 5 array on your NAS with fewer disks. And it's powered by a Realtek quad-core RTD1296 processor. It's got minimalist design that easily fits in your home or commercial space, and it's got a variety of multimedia applications, transcoding capabilities, and cross-device file backup and synchronization. And it provides a high cost-effective solution for storage, backup, file management, and sharing. We've reviewed a number of Qnaps over the years. These guys make some excellent NAS products, mostly for the high-end consumers and business users, but these work just as well. And so with 3 disks, you can build out your RAID 5 array, and it supports H.264 hardware decoding and transcoding, so smoother video appearances. It snapshots fully record system status and data, including metadata. If files are accidentally deleted or modified, you can quickly restore the data with snapshots. It's got hot swapping design that allows you to remove hard drives without powering off the NAS to ensure continuous operations. Hybrid backup syncs that consolidates your backup and syncs to a single app. QSync is an easy-to-use real-time file sync service for computers and mobile devices. And you can take photos, record videos using QPhoto on your mobile device, and they automatically are uploaded to it. So there's that if you have it. Comes with 2 gigabytes of memory, and the Realtek quad core is a 1.4 gigahertz processor. And you can use it with your mobile devices. There's all sorts of apps these guys take and make. Super fast download and transfer time with the chip that's on it. You can protect your data. You can do real-time video transcoding, greater multimedia enjoyment with Plex if you use Plex. It's got SSD cache acceleration, so if you're using SSD, you can support the SSD caching. It gives you that performance and speed. You can automate everyday tasks with the IFTTT agent, the if this then that agent as well. And multiple ways to enjoy your videos pretty much anywhere you want. File digitalization, access files on external devices, smart filing, full text search, and it supports 360-degree panoramic photos and videos. So these guys do everything, and it looks pretty cool and nice. And you can just basically have a multi-point backup and access with it and use their host container applications. I highly recommend it. We got a chance to try it out and we loved it. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, go to Qnap.com and check out their newest 3-bay NAS, the TS-328. We appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to look at some of the other reviews we did from Qnap.com. We'll see you next time.